Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On NOT, wanted to do a full update. I know quite a lot of you are trading this. I know quite a lot of you are still interested in this. It's much less, unfortunately, than the 2 times NOT was very bullish right here at the start of June, already very long ago, and in the middle of June. But that's also just that's also just a sign of the times, all right? It's summer. A lot of people are gone. Volume is much lower. Liquidity is much lower. There's much less price action and price volatility. So less people are interested in that. But for those of you who are still interested in that, including me, I actually do think that that NOT is still a very tradable crypto. I wanted to do an update, so that's what we'll do. So if we look at NOT right now, just in general, I think the market structure on the short term is a consolidation. All right, it's of course, I mean, if we zoom out, you can zoom out to the 12-hour time frame if my connection is good. You can call this an uptrend. I can agree with that. I think like we could drop down to 1 cent and this could still be a long-term uptrend. But that's not what matters. All right, what matters right now, especially for NOT, is more recent price action. And more recently we have dropped down, found support here at 1.45 cents, lost that support, reclaimed above that. And right now, I would say we're relatively flat. The EMAs are also relatively flat here, which means if EMAs are flat, that means the price is kind of moving sideways in a range. All right, so then we are neutral. The one thing I worry about, and that's what I wanted to talk about, is that the main level to hold, and you can see that on the 1 hour time frame as well. Like we had one fake out right here Monday the 24th, right? So that was also when Bitcoin was very bearish. So that bearish momentum from Bitcoin cascaded into NOT, and that caused a bit of a fake out, a breakout where it should not necessarily have happened. But you can very clearly see that the level before that held up the most is this level right here between around 1.4, I would say, this level. Well, this level. So that level is the main level that needs to hold. And we are at that level right now. And we found support at that level, first of all, in, yesterday night. Or yesterday night, tonight. And we found support there, and we have not gained any momentum. And you can also see in a 1 hour time frame that on the very low time frames, it actually looks more like we're in a downtrend than we are actually, then we're consolidating. And that worries me slightly, all right? Because what you want to see after hitting such a strong support level, or at least historically such a strong support level, is you want to gain some momentum. And unfortunately, due to the lack of momentum we see right now, I think that there's a very high chance that we actually do get a real bearish breakout here, and that we break down below 1.4 cents, and that will start to drop down towards 1.25 cents, which is the next major psychological support level. So do I think this is most likely? I'm afraid so, but it's basically it's mostly based on feelings, because on the other hand, to be a little bit more positive, we are still holding support. All right, we are gaining some support from there. It's just the lack of momentum that we gain from here that makes me believe that this consolidation we have on the 1 hour time frame is maybe not that strong. Now, if we're able to, so this is what I expect, right? I expect a bearish breakout based on the weakness we see right now. But I do want to stress that if NOTCOIN is able to get some sort of a breakout right here above 1.5 cents, or even if we break out above 1.47, so 0.0147, I think that's enough of confirmation to say, all right, well, the support level does have momentum. I was wrong. We can move up to 1.55 and we can stay in this consolidation. So if this happens, I was wrong, but do keep it in mind, right? Because it is a real possibility. It's just that, look, personally, I would just wait for one of the 2 breakouts, but people watching these videos also always want to know what I think is most likely. Otherwise, it's also not a price prediction, and this is what I think is most likely. All right, but those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.